Hi friend, let me show you this LEGO Snowmobile set. It is a small set. It comes with a manual and 2 little packets of Legos. I'm gonna have my 8-year-old assemble it. I'm gonna hyperlapse it so you could see that it is possible for an 8-year-old to do it. It doesn't have too many pieces, so I did hear him ask or have a hard time finding tiny pieces, but he got it. Overall, he overcame the challenge, and I think he was even proud of himself after he put it all together. It's really neat, gives your child a challenge, and feels very rewarding to see it complete after. Great set to have for kids on a rainy day so they can get creative and learn some challenging tasks.